Dear CSS and PMS aspirants, the new era of smart learning is finally here.
For years, Pengravity focused on high-quality editorial and opinion analysis from Dawn, helping you build critical thinking, exam-focused insight, and powerful writing skills.
But now, Pengravity is going global.
We're moving from a single newspaper model to a full, multi-source, research-based learning system.
Every lecture is now powered by Pakistani newspapers, leading global newspapers, international magazines, think tanks, and research journals, high-quality opinion and analytical reports.
All your content is now structured into 8 essential areas.
Pakistan's politics, Pakistan's autonomy, Pakistan society, national security, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, US, China, Pakistan, Middle East, Europe, Africa, Pakistan, and Muslim world.
No more confusion, no more checking multiple newspapers. Just clean, organized, exam-ready insights, all in one place.
Stronger essays, stronger current affairs, stronger IR and Pakistan affairs preparation.
Welcome to Pengravity's new era of smart learning. From Dawn-only analysis to Pakistan plus global research-backed content.
Register now at pengravity.com or WhatsApp 0325 266 6328.